Hello guys, welcome to a video about learning about habitats of the world. Okay, so today I actually made a PowerPoint. So this is the first video of my channel and I hope you enjoy it and at least like and subscribe, right? This is just a new channel that I have made for everyone. So I hope you would enjoy watching this first video. So, yep, we'll be learning about habitats. I have made about 8 habitats. I'll show you each one. The polar habitat, the tundra habitat, evergreen forests, seasonal forests, grasslands, deserts, rainforests, and oceans. Okay, so I will start presenting to you each one of the habitats. Here we go. Habitats of the World by Emily Wu. By me. Polar habitat. Cold, dry environment located at the two poles of the Earth. Snow and ice dominate the land, but vibrate aquatic ecosystems, support coastal and marine species. The polar habitat are also snowy. It has snow and ice. Polar bears live in cold places. And I found a picture of a polar bear standing in the middle of a frozen lake or an ocean. And I would say this is like almost in Antarctica, I bet. Pretty much polar bears are standing in a cold weather condition. They're like just standing, like there's only one polar bear standing there looking in the distance. I don't know what is it looking at. The next slide, tundra habitat. Cool, dry landscapes near the North Pole with short growing seasons, supporting little plant or animal life, except in the summer when these areas resemble grasslands. Some animals that live here are reindeer and wolves. And I found a picture of a tundra habitat. It is like I see some mountains in the distance, and I saw flowers. I saw some trunks, like they had been cut, and there's a bunch of grasses. Like there isn't a lot of grasses, but I would say there's white flowers and orange flowers. There really isn't a lot, but it is a great picture to find. Next slide. Evergreen forests. Warm summers and cold winters. These forests are the largest on Earth and are dominated by hardy evergreen trees and many migratory species of animals. Some animals that live here are snowshoe hare and owls. Here's a picture of an evergreen forest, and I just picked a picture of full of forest trees. There's a bunch of trees, and the only thing you see is trees. This is a large tree in this sense here, and it is just a blue sky and all green trees. That's pretty much all it is. Next slide. Seasonal forests. A dynamic habitat where warm, wet summers provide excellent growing conditions for plants and food for animals, which go dormant or hibernate during cool, dry winters. Some animals that live here are owls, frogs, rabbits, insects, and snakes. Oh, I hate snakes. How about you guys? Do you guys don't like snakes? Snakes always scared me, and also spiders mostly. Okay, so here we also have a picture of a seasonal forest. It's colorful. Here we have different color kind of leaves of trees. We see orange, yellow, and green. It's, and it is like on a mountain or something. And there's the blue sky. All right, next slide. Grasslands. The largest land habitat by area, grasslands are dominated by hardy, quick growing grasses and large herds of grazing animals. Some animals that live there are lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. And here's a picture of grasslands. And I saw some weeds, I saw some yellow flowers. There's just too much yellow flowers. And it feels like it is about to have a terrible weather condition right now. I said those grasslands are just like plain lands that could easily cause tornadoes or anything. So you should never ever live by grasslands. It might cause any weather terrible conditions. Next slide, deserts. Normally hot, always extremely dry places where water is a scarce resource, and plants and animals are adapted for water conservation. Some animals that live there are fennec, fox, lizards, and camels. And here's a picture of deserts. This is just sand, and I saw some mound of sand, and camels traveled here, and maybe even hyenas. Hyenas always mostly live in dry deserts, but they still survive. Rainforests. Hot, wet, and sunny, abundant plant life supports the richest diversity of animals anywhere on Earth. Same animals that live here. Some animals that live here are frogs, butterflies, and insects. And here we are. There is a picture of a rainforest. I love this picture because there's waterfalls and there's like some leaves that's growing beside a waterfall, and there are rocks, and there's a river. It's like a lake. It's beautiful. It's like reflecting all the leaves and trees. And there's some rocks right here, somewhere right here. Last slide, oceans. Vast and deep oceans cover over 70% of the Earth and are home to abundant microscopic plant life. Fish and larger predators includes subhabitats like shallow seas and coral reefs. Some animals that live here are starfish, squid, whales, dolphins, and many more. Well, this picture of the ocean is just nothing, just no wild creatures right now. It's just clear sky and just dark ocean blue colors. Okay, so that's it for today. That's all 9 slides. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching my first video of my channel. Just at least give a subscribe or a like for this video, please. Really. If you have any questions or concerns, you can write it in my comments. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.